Everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. And today I'll show you how to add your EBT card to the Kroger app for online pay orders. First, you need to log into your Kroger account and make sure you sign in here. Or if you don't have one, create a new account. And once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. And now then go to your wallet, update payment cards, and then simply add your Snap EBT card to your account. This is how it looks. Let me show you quickly. So this will be your wallet here and just simply add a new card, click on it and it will take you to your another page where you can easily add your card details like card number, date, CVV and more. And then make sure to select EBT as the payment type after you are done adding your card. Now then just enter your EBT card number and click submit. Your Snap EBT card is now saved to your Kroger account. Now let's move on to placing an order. Like you can start by shopping online for either pickup or delivery. Just simply click here and see your cart and the products here, and then simply select the products you want to add, and you can then make your purchases using the Snap EBT card. Just make sure at checkout under the paying with section you'll see an option to add Snap EBT card and then the option right there. And if you have already added, it will show that in that section. Now, after you are done selecting the products you want to purchase, review your order, click submit and enter your Snap EBT pin to complete the transaction. And that's it. You have successfully added your Snap EBT card to your Kroger app for online orders. This is a very simple step. I hope this helped. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.